Welcome to Happiness Habits. The mission of Happiness Habits is to spread happiness and joy to everyone. Have you ever pondered about the true essence of happiness? Have you ever wondered if there's a way to tap into an inexhaustible well of joy within your own self? Welcome to a journey of self-exploration, where we unravel the secrets of happiness meditation. Meditation, a practice as old as time itself, holds the key to unlocking happiness. But how does one embark on this quest for joy? It's simpler than you might think. Firstly, find a quiet, peaceful spot. It doesn't matter if it's a corner of your room, a serene garden, or a tranquil beach. The location is less important than the tranquility it offers. Next, assume a comfortable posture. You could sit cross-legged on the floor, on a chair, or even lie down. Remember, comfort is key. Now close your eyes softly. Be aware of the darkness that envelops you. In this darkness there's peace, there's calm. In the next step, we focus on our breath. Notice its rhythm, its ebb and flow. It's like a serene ocean with waves of life-giving oxygen flowing in and out. As thoughts begin to crowd your mind, don't fight them. Instead, acknowledge them and let them go. Picture them as clouds passing by. You are the sky, unchanging and unaffected. The next step is crucial. It's about surrendering to the future and letting go of the past. Visualize your past as a book. Each event, each memory, is a page. The past is a rich reservoir of beautiful memories and insights. Now gently close this book and place it on a shelf. It's part of you, but it doesn't define you. It is a tool for you to create a great future for yourself. Now visualize the future as an unwritten book. It's full of blank pages waiting to be filled. But for now, leave it be. The future is a mystery, an adventure waiting to unfold. You're now in the present moment, the here and now. This is the stage for your life's play. This is where happiness resides. Finally, end your meditation session with a deep breath. Open your eyes slowly and welcome the world around you. Carry this sense of calm and happiness with you into your day. Happiness meditation is a journey, a continuous process of letting go and surrendering. It's about being present in the moment, immersing yourself in the now. It's about acknowledging the past and the future but living in the present. The benefits of happiness meditation are manifold. It reduces stress, increases focus, and improves overall well-being. It enables a deeper connection with oneself and the world around. Most importantly, it opens the door to a state of perpetual happiness, a state that isn't contingent on external factors but springs from within. So embark on this journey of happiness meditation. Tap into the well of joy within you. Remember, happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of life. Please visit our website at www.happiness.coach.